Hi besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you are new here, please consider to subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell in case I upload any other video, you will be notified. So in today's video, we are going to be installing some orange ginger hair for the very first time, and this video is going to also teach you, in case you are struggling on how to do some bold cap method. This video is going to be guiding you through the process, how to do your bold cap method before installing your wig. So at this point, I just went ahead to wear my cap wig, and make sure you cut a very little hole beside your ear. And I also went ahead to use two-tone darker shade of foundation that is darker than my skin, just to blend it on the wig cap. After blending that together, I went ahead to use my wig glue instead of using AB spray or Got2B spray. I recommend using wig glue if you are trying to really achieve bold cap method, because that will be really good and it lasts more longer than sprays, and it's really easy for you to cut the excess lace out. I don't know what I'm singing here, but guess what, I'm really enjoying the process. So I went ahead to do just one layer, and I use my hand fan to make sure that is a little bit dry. And when it's dry and you see the glue is already clear, then you can go ahead to cut the excess net out. Man, you see that? You see how easy I actually achieved that? I went ahead to just move the excess lace backwards. I find it difficult at the beginning on how to do bold cap method, and finally I got it. And I hope this video is going to be helping some of you out there on how to go through the process and all of that. And here is the wig we are going to be installing. As you can see, it came pre-plucked. Like, I ate this color up. I haven't installed it, but I know I'm gonna be eating this look up. So this wig is actually 30x4 lace wig, and also 20 inches, and it's 150 density. And as you can see, I actually turned this wig upside down so that I won't make any mistake. It will be easy for me to cut the ear part out. And after doing that, I also went ahead back to try it before cutting it, so I won't make any mistakes. After cutting the ear part out, I went ahead to try the wig on again, and as you can see how it fit perfectly well. So it's time to apply my glue, and I actually went ahead to apply 2 layers and make sure it's a little bit clear, a little. Then I went ahead to apply the second layer, and yeah, so that is it. And I hope you watch the process. Here I also went ahead to spread the to spread the glue just like butter. You see that, because you don't want it to be sticky and all of that. And I also went ahead to use my hand fan so that it can dry a little bit quicker. Then I also went ahead, you can see that this is the 2 layer, and yeah, I'll just wait a bit and I go ahead to apply my wig. Easy peasy. So after all that, I went ahead to cut my lace in a zigzag motion, as you can see, and I also went ahead to do the same thing in the other part. Like, I'm really looking down. That is why my camera refused to focus on my face. It's just like the light is going up and down. And after cutting that with my blade, I went ahead with my little scissors just to trim the excess part out. You can see how that sticks to my head. You see that? I haven't even meant yet. Like, you can see how strong that is. And I also went ahead to apply a little bit of glue in the ear part, because you know the lace is not well glue on the front. And here I went ahead to use that same foundation shade that is darker than my skin tone, just to blend the front. And here I went ahead to use my heavy spray. I dig my brush on the spray to just press that on the front hairline, as you can see. And when tying your front hair, like your front lace, I don't know how to explain that, make sure you stretching the hairband, you know, because that will really help your lace to lap very well, and it will make it to also melt into your skin very well. I went ahead to use my wax stick and also my hot comb just to press those front excess hair backwards. you guys, so this is what I achieved so far. I went ahead to do some C part, and now it's time to make some little baby hair. Like I say, I'm not the kind of girlies that love all those kind of much baby's hair. I don't do too much when it comes to baby hair. And yeah, you guys, so this is what I achieved so far. Like, where is the lace? No, let me know, where is the lace? You see that? Like, I ate this up. So at this point, I went ahead to just trim some excess, use my heat protector, and also some oil spray. So yeah, I will go ahead to coil the hair, and I will be right back for the final look. So here we are. Like, I never thought that orange ginger hair will ever look good on me, but now I'm gonna be trying other colors out as well. So let me know if you learn one or two stuff from this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section, if I ate this look up or not. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.